Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. Today's tutorial will teach you how to outline a person for any purposes, but you will find this especially helpful for YouTube thumbnails. Let's get started. We are choosing a YouTube thumbnail document type for this project. You can find the correct dimensions for your thumbnails by searching YouTube thumbnail in the search bar on Canva's homepage. Click Create a Blank Design or choose one of the pre-designed templates. On this one, I already have an individual that has a background cut out, but stay tuned to the end because I'll share two different ways to remove a background from an image. Tap your image so that the top panel bar changes. Click on Edit Image so that the left panel also changes. We are going to search for the term shadow. You can play around with the varying effects, but today we are going to explore the shadow glow effect. Comment below which shadow effect you would love for me to teach next. Once you select the glow effect, the control panel will appear. Click it so you can adjust the size, transparency, blur, and color with these controls. Your branding style will likely determine which of these you like, and for consistent thumbnails, it is best to choose the same number each time you use this effect for a person. Next week, you will learn a different shadow effect and how to apply it to fonts using Canva Pro. Once you've decided on your numbers, press Apply and wait for the process to complete. You will know that it is saved once you see all changes saved at the very top of your design. You can then put this in place on your thumbnail. How do you remove a background from an image? The first way uses Canva Pro. You will click on your picture, go to Edit Image, and click Remove Background. Wait for the circle to stop spinning and all changes saved in order to be able to use this image. The second way, if you are using a Canva image, you will want to enlarge your image for the background and download it as a PNG. You can skip that step if you already have an image outside of Canva that you want to remove the background. Let's go to remove.bg to remove the background for free. Upload your image and let the AI do the process for you. You can download it for free in the lower quality and then upload this downloaded image into Canva. I think you will agree with me that there is a huge difference between the two images. If you are a content creator and need to learn more about how to create thumbnails, I recommend checking out this series. I will leave the playlist in the description below. Come back on Wednesday when I review a subscriber of the Canva Classroom to give pointers about that channel's thumbnails. If you like this lesson and want to see more like it, then be sure to let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!